Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you another must-try AI tool in Canva. In this part I will show you the 3D Maker, which is a pretty amazing, easygoing application where we can create amazing 3D elements from our boring 2D elements. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. And first, as usual, we are going to the App Marketplace to check the application, which is a 3D Maker, as you can see. Bring your designs to life in 3D. And this application was developed by Muhammad Munir Kamal. Thank you, mate. It's a pretty amazing application. I really like it. It's pretty easy going, pretty easy to use, and we can create a really eye-catching 3D element from any normal 2D element. So now we can going back to the original Canva. Here I'm just adding a new page. I will create something similar. So I go into the elements, I go into the shapes, and create something like this. Just moving a bit up. And here I go into the colors. I'm choosing a gradient color, going to up, add new color, and here I don't do anything else than just change the style to the circular and just changing the order of the colors. And now I'm going to the border style, increasing the border to like 12, going to the border color and adding the same gradient color, but now I use a different style like this linear gradient. And now the only thing what I need to do first, just changing the background to white just in case. So I going back to the text, add heading, create this, so like this canvateacher. Sorry, I'm moving to the, zooming a bit. I'm moving the text to the box, and this is leak Spartan. The teacher has to be a bit different, like this is not nice. Yeah, just try to find a nice text, nice font. Sorry. Yeah, this one is readable. So just select both lines, go into the spacing and reduce the line spacing, increasing the text. I can even more reducing the line spacing and just changing the color to white. Yes, like this. And even increase the text a bit more, like this, position, center, and selecting this. This is also in the center. Nice. So how can I create this 3D? This is the main question. Now that I just created this text box, which is pretty nice, but not that fancy. But now the magic starts. Going to the apps, searching for the 3D Maker, this application. As you can see, this is the same as I show you in the marketplace. And now we're just selecting the items, select the right page. The only one page is selected, I think. Export with transparency, so convert design to 3D. So I just selected all the items what I would like to use, increasing the size and transparency and pages. I just click on the page 3. and export. And here I can change the depth like to 1.2. And here, actually that's the holding the left mouse button, we can moving around and add to design. And here is the 3D element. I think this one was a bit better with these colors. Maybe this one is not that nice somehow, but yeah, just a bit like this. And scrolling down, up to design again. So I delete this, and this one just increasing the size. And as you can see, the whole page, a whole Canva became a 3D, but there is only one element on it, so there is nothing else. But this is why the size is like this. So if you would like to create this size of this kind of forms, better to use a non-square based Canva to get a better result. But this is also pretty nice. I don't really like this color scheme, but this is my problem. This one looks better, might be a bit because it's more lighter this part than the other part of the Canva. This one is more. This is also nice, but yeah, maybe it's a bit lighter. That's more eye-catching, this 3D element part. But the main thing, you can see how is it works, how we can create a 3D element from a standard 2D element, and it's pretty amazing. I really like this application. That's really, really nice. It's really easy to use. It's highly recommended, and I have to say thanks again for the developer. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible, or if needed, I will create a tutorial about your request to show you how you can solve the problem. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for AI image generation in different kind of applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description. Also, you can find a link in the description for my new TikTok channel and Instagram channel. Please feel free to also to check them. I try to upload 2-3 videos per week, short videos about short tutorials, how to create also eye-catching things in a Canva. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.